Are you excited to find your dream home? Hello, I'm Megan Haynes with Heart to Home AZ at Realty One Group, and I'm excited to share with you our newest listing at 19191 East Canary Way in the coveted neighborhood of Cortina in Queen Creek, Arizona. This beautiful home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and spans 2,713 square feet, and it is packed with updates. From new tile in the courtyard to new exterior paint, every detail has been carefully considered. Now, upon entry into this home, you'll notice the beautiful tile floors throughout, the new windows, new slider doors that create an abundance of natural light, and this kitchen, it really is a chef's dream. This home sits on a huge lot that's very low maintenance, and it's absolutely beautiful. Check out this large side yard with this huge RV gate. Living in Cortina means you get to experience all the wonderful amenities that this neighborhood provides, such as beautiful parks, walking trails, and even a community pool. So if you're interested in this home or other homes in the area, give me a call. Your dream home awaits.